my favorite.
So my name is David Jackson. I'm an endurance athlete, and I came to the Source for that reason. It all started with a thought last year in January, and that thought was, I wonder if I could run 100 miles, an endurance race, an ultra marathon. And that started my journey, and I knew through that journey from other runners and learning from other people that I was going to need a chiropractor to be on my wellness team. I misstepped on one of the trails and did something to my back, so I injured that. So I knew that I needed, like I said, especially after the injuries, I knew that I was going to need something and somebody to keep me on the trails. And so really I was looking for a wellness group. Not just a chiropractic care facility or care doctor. Yes, my initial visit I thought was very thorough. It's kind of one of the things that also pulled me in was that they did a squat and gait analysis, and then they came up with a treatment plan. So we put all of that together, and that's when I knew as well, like this is it.
left hand on the back finish.
That's my favorite. My main goal was that I had entered an endurance race, the North Face 50-mile endurance challenge, and that was my goal, was to keep me on the trails, keep me training, and keep me healthy so I could finish that race. And we absolutely accomplished that goal. It was amazing.